Well, as odd as it may be to pass out from a sandwich, it is all too common to die from drinking water. I mean, we take clean drinking water for granted, but throughout the world, around 4,000 children die every single day from drinking dirty water. Now, there's a revolutionary way to clean water. It's cheap, it's easy to use, and it's extremely portable. Just one of these little packets can clean about 2.5 gallons of water. It was developed in part by Greg Allgood. He's founder of the Children's Safe Drinking Water program through Procter & Gamble. Now, we wanted to check out this incredible technology in action, so we invited Greg over for a demonstration and a wee taste test. Now, most diseases from water contamination are because of fecal matter, so I brought along some filthy New York water and Greg added some doggy doo, courtesy of his pal, Jackson.
Hey, Lewis.
Hey, Johnny, what you got there?
You don't want to know what I got, man. You do not want to know.
What is this product?
Well, Pure is a product that we developed in collaboration with the CDC, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. And it's a way to treat water so that it's purified to prevent the illness and death that occurs in the developing world. Well, unfortunately, people in the developing world have to drink atrocious water, water that's really dirty and contaminated with things like cholera and bugs that cause typhoid fever and dysentery.
What do we begin by doing?
Well, you take a packet and you add it to 10 liters or 2.5 gallons, which you've done very well here. Then we stir it for 5 minutes.
And what is in this packet?
Well, the ingredients that are in the Pure packet, the same ingredients that are used in municipal water treatment plant. So
I always thought that was mostly chlorine.
Well, there's chlorine. Right. There's a good source of chlorine. It's,
in fact, I can smell the chlorine.
You can smell the chlorine, and that's what kills the bacteria and viruses. And there's also iron sulfate, and that is a coagulant, and that will cause particles to come together and get larger and larger and then fall out of a solution.
Well, now I can smell not only chlorine, but also the doggy doo.
I smell that as well. Yes, it's quite unpleasant.
It is quite unpleasant.
But we've shown that it can remove 99.99999% of bacteria.
Wow.
So if you have a billion bacteria in here, it's gonna kill them all.
How much does it cost to make one of these packets?
We can make it, ship it, do the education and training, and provide it for only 10 cents per packet. And since each packet treats 10 liters
of water,
1 penny per liter.
Look at that. That's unbelievable.
It's fantastic to show this to people in the developing world. And in some places I've been, they've never seen really clear water.
Down in the middle, there's this cluster of quite large cornflake-sized little balls of...
Yep. We can't see the parasites, obviously, but they'll be down in the bottom. And now it's time to filter it through the cloth.
Okay, let's do it. So it's been 20 minutes?
It's been 20 minutes. It's ready to drink.
And I'm taking your word on this. Okay.
It's purified water.
I haven't signed a waiver. There's no indemnity clause, you know.
You'll have to trust us.
Okay, I'll trust you.
But you saw it work with your own eyes, so I'm sure that...
Yep. I saw something. I don't know. I brought along something a little bit more classy.
Oh, that's very classy, yes. Here's to ending diarrheal disease and death in the developing world.
That's the best doggy doo I've ever tasted.
It's good, pure water.
Greg says that Pure packets have cleaned up more than 340 million gallons of water and helped save people in 42 countries so far. And these packets are not just for the developing world. After Hurricane Katrina hit, the EPA approved the packets for use here in the US. If you'd like more information on how you can help provide children around the world with access to clean, safe drinking water, you can visit the Children's Safe Drinking Water program at csdw.org or just log on to our website, sciencechannel.com/brink.